The smartest human versus the deadliest predator. Elon Musk with high IQ exceptional. Using technical research Mars. Tesla AI. Elon Musk using very powerful weapon. His brain. Bengal tiger. Fighting with weight 250 plus kg. Speed is 60 kilometers per hour. Bite force 1000 psi. Weapon claws and teeth. Brains versus beast. True power isn't fighting nature. It's outsmarting it. Who should Elon Musk face next? Lion, gorilla, or dinosaur? In real life, humans should never fight wild animals.